What up, guys? Live eventually checking in. Nice to meet you. And today we're going to talk about 5 things money can't buy. The true value of wealth beyond dollars, guys. So stay tuned.
All right, we're hopping into number 1, the 5 things that money can't buy you. We have, first off, discipline. Money cannot buy you discipline. Being disciplined is going after your goals, going after them and making sure you achieve them, doing what it takes to get there, being diligent day in and day out. You know, sometimes people are going to invite you to parties, sometimes people are going to invite you to lots of events, but being disciplined is something where you're going to say, no, I have this to do. I need to accomplish this. You're telling people no because you know someday you're going to achieve that goal and you want to be further along, and that party is not going to benefit you in any way. So being disciplined is key to success with entrepreneurs and basically anything in life.
The 2-letter word, no, will ensure that you go a lot further along in your journey with discipline. Discipline, discipline, discipline. Can't forget it, guys. So, right at number 2, we have self-respect, guys. Self-respect. You have all the money in the world, but it's worthless if you don't have any self-respect. Look at how relationship dynamics goes, right? You got a guy who makes a lot of money, but he still has a woman who doesn't respect him. You see how much value that he actually has. Or you have someone at a job who does a lot of the work and then get no respect at all. That ultimately comes down to self-respect, guys. And the key to self-respect is having an understanding of self and who you are. So self-respect, no matter how much money you have self-respect, is virtually worthless.
Number 3, guys, we have inner peace. Now, obviously, we're all go-getters. We want as much money as possible. We want to be content in life as well. But money can never solve all your problems. You have to find peace within yourself. You have to find inner peace within yourself. You have to find that level of content where you're happy, where money doesn't have a hold or a chokehold over your life. Having inner peace is something that many people strive for and so few obtain because they're chasing a dollar amount, or they're chasing women or men or whatever they may be going after. You have to have peace. You have to be content and find that in your life. You have to have hobbies that you enjoy outside of work. You have to find things that you enjoy outside of work, and don't sit around wasting your whole life, chasing bags, chasing money, fame, whatever it may be. Find the inner peace, find your happiness, and live your life the way you want to.
Inner peace is the peace we all need. We all need inner peace, guys. Don't sleep on this one. At number 4, guys, we got authenticity and integrity, guys. At the end of the day, integrity is what you are / who you are when no one is watching. What kind of person you are behind closed doors. That's what's really most important, guys. So authenticity and integrity. This is important, guys. No matter how much money you have, you'll have authenticity and integrity. You're gonna make it far, and the money that you do accumulate, it will be worth it. You just be known as someone with a lot of money, but not a good character, or someone with a lot of money who does a lot of shady business practices. So authenticity and integrity, guys, let's really lock in on this one.
And lastly, guys, we have genuine relationships. Now, you cannot sleep on this. This is so crucial, and genuine relationship implies not what that relationship can do for you, but having a relationship where you can go to someone and you can talk to them. You guys can hash out future plans or talk about past, and you can just bounce ideas off of someone. It's not always about what you get out of it in terms of a monetary value or things like that. It's more about establishing something with people where you are creating a world where you have a safe place, where you have a circle that you trust, that can help you out if you're in a hard place. You can help them out in a hard place, but it's not always about giving and receiving. It's about having someone who's in your corner. And that is the biggest thing when you're going throughout life, is having people in your corner and understanding those people who are in your corner. Because there's a lot of people who are preying on your downfall. They're snakes in the grass, They're waiting for you to fail so they can tell everyone else wow, I knew they couldn't do it. So make sure when you're going out about your business, your day, that you're establishing these genuine, real relationships with people you can actually trust. And so to recap, guys, what we just went over the top 5 things that money can't buy. Number 1, we had discipline. You know, guys, you have to be disciplined. You have to keep grinding things out. You have to make sure you're on your task on a daily basis. Next, we had self-respect. Guys, come on. You have to believe in yourself. You have to respect yourself. Hold yourself accountable. Make sure that people aren't disrespecting you and throwing punches your way, and you are not taking combat. You're not taking just make sure you're going the distance, and make sure you're not allowing people to run you over. Next, we had inner peace. Guys, that is a huge one. Make sure that you find that hobby or whatever it may be that brings you peace, that brings you joy, whether it's family, friends, going out traveling. Make sure you have that inner peace, whatever it may be. Find that authenticity and integrity. Guys, that's huge. You have to be who you are. You have to show the world who you are, but you also have to be a person who is standing up for themselves morally and soundly, where people respect you and value your opinion. Your integrity matters more than a lot of things that go on in this world. Make sure that you hold yourself accountable, again, and have integrity. Lastly, we went over genuine relationships. Guys, such a big one to just establish with people. Love, connection, make sure they're in your corner, make sure they're fighting the battles with you, you're fighting their battles, and whatever the trade-off may be, make sure that you can trust them and they're an actual genuine friend.
Remember, guys, at the end of the day, you can't hide hate and you can't buy love. So no matter how much money you have, you think you're gonna get your dream girl, and you automatically get all this respect, you're gonna be the big boss, the big person. You have to have these 5 things in place in order to be the successful person that you really want to be. Whether you got $1 million in your bank account or just $1 million of morals and integrity inside of you. With all that being said, like, comment, subscribe below. Let us know which ones you like, didn't like, what's important to you, and eventually, the world is yours.